Hi, my name is Andy, and you are in Pasta Fazool. You know, besides the lasagna and the spaghetti and meatballs, there's just one more dish that really stands out as an Italian favorite, and that is the raviolis. And you know what they say in Italy? If you can make a good ravioli, then you can be accepted in the Italian cuisine. I just made that up. But anyway, we're making some fresh raviolis today, so stick around because you're going to have a good time. And I'll see you just a little bit here in Pasta Fazool. Okay, welcome back. We're going to start with making some meat raviolis first. What I do is I get some beef and some pork. That's an equal amount of beef and pork. Chop them up in little pieces, like this. A little smaller than that. I don't like making the meat for the raviolis with the chopped meat. I don't like buying the chopped meat. Put everything inside of a food processor, and we'll make this meat for these raviolis. And the last piece, and before that, I'm putting some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil. Chop up some onion first. Okay. Saute the onion first. Then I like to put a little bit of bacon inside the raviolis. Not much, maybe about this much, I want to say about 3 ounces of bacon. Really gives the meat ravioli a wonderful taste. And once you have the onions a little brown, put your bacon in it. A little bit of chicken stock, so we'll add the beef and the pork. We're going to cook this up for a few minutes. It's nice and cooked. Okay, now that the meats are cooked, okay. There's all this juice over here. It's the chicken stock that I put in there. We're going to knead that. We're going to taste it a little bit more salt, fix it salt. Not too much because we got that bacon in there. And that's about cooked. It's cooked. So I'm going to shut this off now. And we'll put this in a food processor. That smells. Almost there. To make it become a little bit like almost like a doughy type of a meat that goes into ravioli. Put a little bit of breadcrumb in there. I'll say a couple of pinch of breadcrumb. And finish it off until. Okay, I'm gonna put this meat filling on the side. Okay, now that we have the meat filling, now we're going to make the cheese filling for the cheese raviolis, which is very simple. I'll throw a little bit of ricotta, and the ricotta that you like. Okay, a little bit of black pepper in there. Okay, a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh, a little bit of pecorino too. I'll mix them both together. Okay, I'll put a little bit of nutmeg. A little bit of nutmeg, just give it a taste. And a little bit of fresh parsley. Chop up the parsley. Alright, so here we go. Mix this up. We have cheese filling. Okay, now we're going to make some pasta, the actual pasta for the ravioli. This is how I make it. I could put a cup, 2 cups, or you could say, I'd say about 1.5 cups. With 2 eggs. 1 and 2. The idea is we have to make a not a soft dough, but a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. The idea is we have to make a firm dough. We don't want a soft dough because we want to make a nice raviolis that, you know, that hold on. See, if you look at it, it's almost like loose. You don't see a dough in here, but when you put this, go like this, it becomes a dough. That's the whole idea of making the right consistent for the dough for the raviolis. See that? Okay, after you have this nice dough, what I do is I like to turn it into like a square piece. Okay, like this, and I'll cut it in half. Okay. Let it stay there. I'll make it rest for about 10-15 minutes. I'll show you what's next. Now that the dough is rested about 10-15 minutes, we get a little bit of flour. And we flatten it down a little bit like this. We're gonna let the machine do all the work now to actually turn it into pasta dough. With the okay, with the help of my wife. Hello there, lady. You wanna give me a hand over here? Why don't you hold the machine over here just like this, okay? All right. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello there. Okay. This. Start out with the widest number, which is number, I believe this one has number 8. You start with number 8. Do a couple of times. Okay. Alright, and then we start bringing it up to, I'll go down to number 6. It gets longer and longer. And one more time. This. And this beautiful pasta. Oops. I go down to 8, 6, 4, and I think 4. The idea you have to make it as thin as the as thin as the fettuccine. Okay, almost there. That's just about right, you know that? Yeah, that's about right. You know what? We're going to leave it at number, what's that, number 2? That's it? Number 2 or number 4? Number 4, right? Just going to leave it like that. Just going to give the knife over there. I'm just going to square it out. Square it out like this. This on the side. And we have one pasta made. Now we're going to make the other. And a little more. And this. And I think we have the right pasta for the ravioli. Now, what we're going to get is the ravioli maker. I'm going to leave you guys a link to get one of these things. Oh, these are wonderful. This has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 raviolis. What I like to do is this. I like to put the first bottom, the part in the bottom, like this. Then I get the plastic part right here and I just press a little bit, right? So it leaves kind of a little hole there, a little dip, so you can put the ravioli filling in there. I'm going to make about 6 meat raviolis. Okay, fill them up nice. Yes, I know I have a lot. And we put speriamo che sì. Okay? And make sure they fill up all the way up. Nice, like that. That should be good. And now we're going to get the other part of the pasta we put right on top, like this. Okay? Press it down a little bit. I'm going to right, can I have the rolling pin over there? The rolling pin.
This.
Yep. I'm going to put it this way. Put a little more flour on it. Okay? And hopefully it's going to come out the way I say it's going to come out. Okay? Just press on it. Press right on it. To the point where, okay, I take this pasta off.
Wow.
Okay, like that. Okay. Nice. There we go. Oh, nice. Look at this beautiful
Wow, they're beautiful.
and we have this beautiful raviolis. You got the cheese ravioli. See the difference, right? Look, the cheese ravioli here
they look
and
so
the meat
nice.
raviolis over here. Huh?
Yeah.
And they're nice or well? Okay, we're gonna make the rest of the raviolis, and I'll see you guys in a bit. And then we're gonna cook them, and we're gonna give it a break. We're gonna give it a taste. So see you in a little bit. Okay, now that we have the water boiling over here, my wife helped me make a bunch of raviolis. We got about a couple of dozen over here. We have the water boiling over here. I'm gonna put some water, put some salt in here. Always salt your water. Give it a nice taste. And we throw in the raviolis. Nice and easy. As soon as these raviolis come up, they float, the raviolis are done. We're gonna give it a few more minutes, and then they're done.
How many minutes?
I say about, they're gonna come up really quick because this is fresh pasta. I say about 2 minutes they're gonna come right up, and then we're gonna give it a few more minutes to make it cook all the way. And then we're gonna fix them up with this beautiful sauce. By the way, the sauce, if you wanna know how to make the sauce, I showed you already on my video. Go to episode 6, pasta Fazool, and you're gonna learn how to make this marinara sauce.
Smells nice.
It smells good, right?
Yes, good.
Okay. So are you ready to taste the raviolis?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, the raviolis are floating. Huh? Look how beautiful they are. What do you think? You think,
Beautiful.
huh? You think they cooked or what?
Yeah.
You're gonna give it a few more minutes, or you think, wow, I think they're just perfect. They made it already, huh? You know what? I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. Give it like a, I say about,
Maybe 2 more minutes.
yeah, 2 more minutes. All right. Meanwhile, how about a little bit of vino, honey? Huh? What do you think?
Yeah.
You can never forget the vino.
Yeah.
And also, you know, because you are prettier than me all the time, you know,
Salute.
you're always going to have a little toast. She makes these raviolis, by the way. She showed me how to make these. I'm just making believe that I know how to make them. She's the one that showed me how to make them, and she makes great raviolis. And I had to say the truth, okay? So,
Salute.
okay. Nice, huh? Think they're done?
I think so.
I think so. All right.
Yes.
You can tell a little darker the meat.
It looks so good.
Look nice, right? Fix them up. This is beautiful sauce. Okay, like this. Okay. A little bit of Parmesan on top.
Wow.
Okay. Fix them up like that first. Nice.
Beautiful.
They're nice or what? Okay. Ooh, let me taste them. They're gonna taste delicious. Here's another meat. You can tell the difference. See the dark ones?
Yeah. Yes.
A couple more. Another sauce on top. Okay. And some. This is pecorino, right? Pecorino romano?
Yes.
Yeah. This. There's a cheese on that side over there. There's a meat. Okay. Wow. They're beautiful. Fantastic. Wow.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Let's go for cheese now. This is a cheese right here.
Cheese.
This is a cheese right here.
That's
And meat.
so good.
The meat is really good.
Let's see the
This
cheese.
is the cheese right here, right? Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Wow. These raviolis came out fantastic.
Very good.
Alright, one more chin chin over here. And wang.
Wow, it's so good.
Thank you for showing me how to make these raviolis.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and this is part of Pasta Fazool. Hey, thanks for spending a little time with us. Again, I'm Andy, it's my wife Ida, and I'll see you next time. This is Pasta Fazool. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.